Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a special Corvette here. It's a 1973. It's a one-year-only design, rubber bumper in front, chrome bumper in back. It also has the L82 performance motor. Its numbers matching, has a 4-speed, has air conditioning, has posi. It's a great Corvette. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy the videos. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as they come out. Right now, the T-tops are off. Let's go for a spin. We sold this car, I think, about 5 years ago to a gentleman in Florida. We just acquired it back from that same person. Overall, it's in really nice shape. It's a 78,000 mile car. It's not been beat up and abused. It's not a perfect car. It's not a nut and bolt restoration, but it's a really good car. And I'll tell you all about it. Actually, it does have a folder filled with receipts and documentation. The rear end, the transmission were rebuilt, the shafts, the U-joints, the brakes. Motor is professionally rebuilt. We have the receipt in here. So I will reread all of these, and I will post on the website more specific. So it's a no-hit body. The guy who painted it, I remember talking to him when I bought the car a few years ago. He painted the car for the first time. He said it was never in an accident, no-hit body. It's got a very smooth, glossy finish. The body is straight and fits really well. There's no cracking. There's no body damage. There's no issues. Obviously, the T-tops come off. They have the bags that you put them in. They store behind the seat. Right now, they're just sitting over there by the wall. But yeah, for a white car, this thing's like glass. It's really bright white, smooth, glossy. Emblem looks nice. Look how good everything fits. It fits spot on. This has not been hit. It's been bumped. It's got a couple hairline cracks. It's a rubber bumper. Someone probably pulled too far into the garage at one time. And there is a chip right here in the paint. Other than that, it's really good. The windshield is nice and clear. The mirrors look new. This trim is good original. Now in back it has chrome bumpers. They look to be in nice shape. The license plate frame's original. It's got a little bit of pitting, mostly behind the license plate. It's got the correct antenna. Now everyone knows about the 63 split window. That was a one-year design. That split in the back window makes that car worth a lot more than any other Corvette, or a lot more than like a 64 Corvette. This is a one-year design. 10 years later, this could really be valuable one day. It does have the aluminum wheels. They're in really nice shape. They could be hand polished a little bit better. Some of the black on that front wheel can be touched up. If you're the type of person that wants to go out in the garage and just do some light tinkering, you can really bring this car up to the next level. The door jambs are actually original paint. It's still smooth and nice. Weather strips have been replaced. Like I was saying, the interior is not perfect, but it's not beat up and broken. The door panels are new. The seats are in really nice shape. The center console, all the brown is real nice, but the parking brake handle, the little bit of chrome plastic is peeling a little bit. The bezel is not beat up, but some of the black paint is scuffed. If you got in here and just detailed some things, there's probably a couple little items you can buy in the catalog that you can replace and really bring this up to the next level. Visors are nice, carpet's nice, got a tilt telescopic wheel, all the instruments are nice. There's an AM/FM stereo, nothing is cut up. The vents are nice. Now under the hood, it is the L82 motor, which is the optional higher performance motor. Now the windshield does have some stone chips and a real light wiper mark on the windshield. Have the receipt. This was built by a very reputable performance shop in 2012, but there's not many miles on it. It's a numbers match motor. The hardware looks fresh. The manifolds look fresh. Air cleaner. Has all the ignition shielding. It's manual brakes, but it is disc at all 4 wheels. Has power steering. Has air conditioning. I see a new label on the wiper motor. That's been replaced. The air conditioning's been serviced and new freon. I don't think the guy we sold it to used it. I turned it on. It's not blowing cold, so probably with some minor service, the air conditioning can be up and running. But the shroud, the fan, everything looks good and proper and tidy and clean. Be starting it up for you in just a minute. Underneath the car, it's an M21 4-speed, 355 posi, all independent suspension, disc brakes at all 4 corners. Got the spare tire carriers still there in the back. Comfortable seats. Got great oil pressure. Just over 78,000 miles. Runs real nice. Looked like at least one of the vacuum cans looked new. Headlights work. I think the air conditioning just kicked in. I hear the belt squealing a little bit. So there you have it, a really nice car, a rare car, a 73 L82 4-speeds, had a lot of restoration, a little detailing, a little tinkering anyone can do themselves would bring this really good car to an excellent car. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact my staff. They'll help answer questions or concerns you have about the car, the process, financing, delivery. We can help with all of that. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out.